多少管你现在มีเธอข้างๆในทุกวันก็รู้ว่าเวอร์ชันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนหลอกทุกทั้งไปต่อจากวันนี้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างๆในทุกวันก็รู้ว่าเวอร์ชันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจฉันจะเปลี่ยนโลกทุกทั้งไปให้เป็นสีชมพูต่อจากวันนี้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างๆในทุกวันก็รู้ว่าเวอร์ชันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนโลกทุกทั้งไปต่อจากวันนี้ฉันได้มีเธอข้างๆในทุกวันก็รู้ว่าเวอร์ชันนั้นไม่ไปไหนหากวันไหนวันนั้นที่เธอเสียใจแต่ฉันจะเปลี่ยนโลกทุกทั้งไปให้เป็นสีชมพู
Parang may kamukha ka.
Sino kamukha mo? Tito Christian. Day 26 na kami. So, ngayon Sunday, pupunta kami Batangas. So, nagre-ready na sila. So, bagong gupit ngayon ako. Kasi, hindi ako bagong gupit. Hindi ako love ni Nina. Ngayon, love na ako.
So guys, isa na namang literal na bigla ang alisan for today's video. Tayo ay pupunta ng Batangas na technically ang ating plano ay magsisimba mamayang alas 4. Pero ang kinauwian ay pupunta ng Batangas. Pagbiglaan talaga yun ang literal na nangyayari. Kapag planado, wala. So mag-aayos kami ngayon. Anong oras na? 12:50. Siguro at least mga 1:30 makakaalis na kami. Mamayang gabi babalik din kami guys. Kinukulit ko siya na magpunta ng Batangas kasi next week wala kami dito. Tapos galing din ako ng Mindoro, diba? So gusto ko talaga magpunta ng Batangas. So see you later. Mag-aayos lang kami.
A few moments later.
So paalis na kami. Hihintay na lang namin yung sasakyan. Let's go!
Sago.
Can I call you babe? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? I'll show you how. Stay by my side even when the world is giving in.
2,000 years later.
So guys, update 2:52 and we're here. So let's go. Very magutom na guys. So guys, time check 5:31 and we're still here sa Hacienda del Sol. Okay, so eto na naman kami. Lalakad papunta sa phase 3 at meron ulit kaming bibisitahin everyone. So, tara!
Yan, beloved guys. Yan, nag-walking kami. Kasi, ngayon, nandito pa rin kami sa Batangas. Mamayang gabi kami uuwi. Yan, nag-walking kami.
I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right.
4 hours later.
So, 6:32 time check at kami po ay pauwi na ng Makati.
So, madilim po dito guys.
So, madilim na dito. Hindi lang siya halata dito sa camera natin kasi medyo maliwanag pa. So, hindi niya bet dito pag gabi kasi nga medyo, hindi siya
kasi
medyo,
yung-
madilim
yung Wala
talaga.
pa masyadong tao.
Tapos may mga part na madilim. So,
Ang dami pang bakanting bahay.
bilang duwago na tao na nilalang, siya ay matatakotin. Okay? So,
Yung taas nga may ilaw no?
let's go. Okay, nasa tricycle na kami. Pasakayan ng bus papunta Manila. So, see you later. Standing ovation for today's video.
Sino may gusto? Ikaw, di ba? Dinamay mo pa ako. Yes, for the standing ovation ng mga persons.
2,000 years later.
Time check, 9:56.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Tayo po ay papahinga dahil sa ating Maladora na adventure. So, outro na natin to guys. So guys, it's been a long day. So, i-insert na lang namin dito yung mga video doon sa aming naging trip papunta ng Batangas ngayong araw. So, medyo struggle siya guys. At nakakapagod talaga. So, nasa bahay na kami. And dito ako natatapusin ng aking video, ang aking vlog for our day 26 of uninterrupted vacation. So, see you tomorrow for another vlog. And it's Monday. Pasokan na naman po ng mga may pasok. So, tayo hindi pa natin pasokan. Kaya, enjoy the vacation. Kasi malapit-lapit na ang brigada, malapit-lapit na ang pagbubukas ng panibagong school year. So, hanggat hindi pa tayo bumabalik sa school, enjoy muna natin ang bakasyon. Okay? So, that's it for this video. Bye!